Early voting for the November elections begins next week. One of the big local races is the one for mayor of Corpus Christi. But we found one candidate on the ballot may not actually live here. Investigative reporter Brian Hoffman has been looking into the candidate's claims and what the city can do about it.
One of the main requirements for running for office in Texas is to live in the area you want to represent. You have to sign legal documents providing a residential address. But one candidate for Corpus Christi mayor didn't do that. And as we've discovered, the city's hands are tied when it comes to making sure that he's telling the truth.
They do have to live in the city 6 months, at least 6 months prior to the filing date.
By law, if you want to run for mayor of Corpus Christi, you must live at least 6 months in the city and a total of 12 months in the state of Texas. When 6 Investigates reviewed the application for a place on the ballot for mayoral candidate John Wright, we noticed he claimed to have lived in Corpus Christi for nearly 6 years. However, his application listed a UPS store address when he was supposed to provide a residential address. You can't use a UPS store as your address.
Yes, you can. It's legal.
It says
you can't use a P.O. box.
Yours is just the UPS store right there, which you're saying is a P.O. box, correct?
Yes.
Yet, when you look at the actual application to run for office, it clearly states that a candidate cannot include a P.O. box or rural route as your address. On record, you live here. You have lived here for over 6 months. You do have a physical mailing address. That is not the UPS store.
That's the only address I've been using is the post office, is the UPS store, because I have had a trucking company. I work all over the country.
That doesn't answer the question on whether he has an actual residential address in Corpus Christi. So what's really going on?
I'll have to speak with the secretary and figure it out.
Right, you're going to have to anyway, but I'm asking you personally, what happened there? Why didn't you put down your own address?
Because I thought I could use that address.
Even though it said you can't.
Wright told 6 Investigates he had documentation proving he lives in Corpus Christi. He also said he would provide it to City Secretary Rebecca Huerta.
Has he stated to you a different address? Has he talked to you about that?
He has not. No, he has not.
Even if Wright did provide a new address, Texas law would prevent the city secretary from amending his application. They only use the first address provided. So, the residential address Wright provided cannot be changed. And this signed affidavit from the UPS store owner says that the UPS store isn't even a residence. Normally, statements made in an application for a place on the ballot are taken at face value unless a challenge is made against it. That's exactly what current Mayor Paulette Guajardo did. Typically, then and only then, an investigation into facts can start. But in this circumstance, the city secretary's hands are tied because of existing state law, and she cannot look into this address further. In a response to 6 Investigates' request from the Secretary of State regarding this matter, they wrote, quote, "The filing authority must accept the applicant's sworn affirmation regarding the location of the applicant's residence and can only challenge the location of the applicant's residence in a court of law," end quote. So what's to stop any local or even a transplant from Nevada like myself from lying about their address on the application form and running for office anyway?
The person is swearing an oath. I mean, they're saying that everything on the application is true and correct. I'm sure there's legal ramifications to something like that.
At this point, with early voting less than a week away, there's no court challenge to Wright's residency. So Huerta tells me that Wright's name will remain on the ballot. Covering the story in studio, Brian Hoffman, Chris 6 Investigates.